I think I kept them bad boys in a little too long. I don't know. I just don't know. It's Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. What is it? January 7th. I just thought I would jump on as I prepare our dinner for tonight because again, I have to make it to the gym, okay? So I need to start. I just finished one of my meetings. So I am going to get started on these cube steaks, honey. So that's all I'm doing. But how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well. Woo, work has been crazy. Oh, is it just 3 of these in here? I'm glad I took out 2. Because I want to cook enough today, y'all, to have leftovers tomorrow. I do not like cooking every day. And you know everything right now, honey, is expensive. I have been on track back in the gym. So these are 6. Okay. I'm getting sidetracked here, guys. So that's 6. That's plenty for us for a couple of nights for dinner. And I'm going to make some mashed potatoes and some broccoli with this. Y'all, Layla thinks that when I cook dinner, it's time for her to eat dinner, okay? When she sees me open that refrigerator, it's on and popping. All right, let me get my seasonings. I think I'm gonna do this adobo today. Oh, where's my meat tenderizer? If you had not seen my last video, check it out. I did finally get my braids out, as y'all can see, and I am happy about it. I think I kept them bad boys in a little too long. Today was pretty good. It's productive. We had some new team members join us, and we had a Teams call just to meet them. So we'll see. It's kind of hard to get to know people when you're remote, but hey, I'm not complaining. I love being remote. And I'm grateful that I can come in here and prepare dinner early in between my calls. So no complaints on my end. But I am going to try and make it to the gym. Definitely again today. It is so cold here, guys. And I'm sorry if you hear Layla. She begs, honey, when she sees me doing anything with meat or anything with food, honey. Layla, stop. Do you want to go outside? It has been so cold here in the South. And we're expected to get like 3 inches of snow. Honey, that is not the norm here, and we shut down, okay? We had flurries in the forecast on Monday. Flurries came later in the day, but no accumulation. Our schools were closed, honey. So everybody's at the stores, you know, stocking up on eggs, bread, and some meats, okay? But this inflation is a mess. But I'm so grateful we had this in the freezer. So this is what's for dinner today and tomorrow, okay? This would have been the perfect day for me to make chili because it's like we're not getting out of the 30s highs, really cold for us. But it's supposed to be like in the teens tonight. Woo! So you can imagine, because I saw Florida was really crazy. It was cold there, so you already know. All right, let me go ahead and get these prepped. I need to get my flour, but I'm starting to rotate these back in my cooking schedule. Let me know if you've had cube steaks and how you make them. But I know growing up, my mom used to make them with onions, and I'm gonna do that too. But I just season accordingly, and then coat them in flour and fry them. And I usually do olive oil, but you know, vegetable oil. All right, y'all, let me turn on this TV. I don't have any more meetings for today, thank goodness. So let me show y'all, I don't think I've released the video for when we took down the Christmas decor. Because girl, my house, especially over here with the fireplace, it just looks so bare. I don't even remember what I had over here before the holidays, girl. I don't remember what I had on my fireplace. The shelving, it just looks so bare. Let me show you. Look at this. I mean, there's really nothing up here. And I promise you that's not what it's supposed to look like, and it won't. I don't even remember this pillow. Oh, I'll have to show you this in another video, but I'm so excited. Just keep an eye out for the next video regarding my office. But yeah, we need to get busy, honey. I don't remember what was here. But we'll get it together. We'll get it together. But anyway. I want the lanterns so bad. But we kind of want white or an off-white or maybe even a tan because our fireplace, the brick or the stone here is gray. And I don't want I want to brighten it up pretty much. So that's what we're looking for. We went to Home Goods, honey. Finally found my office picture. If you remember, if you paid attention, I got the room painted the color that we really love, so that turned out beautifully, but I've had the hardest time finding the wall art, right? So it took about 3 months for us to find it, and whoo, it is beautiful. Because I love the modern type pieces and I knew what kind of vibe I wanted in that room. So we found it, girl. It was, oh, it's so pretty. I'll show it to you in another video though. We have been watching our show. We've watched this before, but we just loved it so much. Let me know if you've heard of the series. I believe it came on Lifetime years and years ago, but it's in Britain. It's a BBC movie. It's called Dr. Foster. I don't know if you have seen that. Dr. Foster, oh my gosh, if you have not, check it out. It's rare where you could find it. I forgot the name of that station that we got a free trial on, but that show was so good. My husband saw it. It's one of those, it definitely is a Lifetime type kind of movie, but this is a series. It's only season 1 and 2. Y'all check it out if you can. I love it. I have watched it over and over. I think that movie came out in 2016 or probably before that. But I don't know, I have to look it up and I'll try to leave it in the comments. I'll leave it in the description box. When you get a chance, try to find it. If you can find it, watch it, girl, and let me know what you think. It's so good. So we were watching that last night. So we're finishing up again. Again, we're just binge watching. We've seen this before, but it's that good. So we're finishing up season 2. We were watching some of it last night and it was time to go to bed because we get up so early. And we're looking forward to seeing it again. For my husband, he feels like he's watching it for the first time. I, on the other hand, I used to, like when I have to have the TV on, number one, for me to go to sleep. And it's one of those shows that's just not rowdy at all. It's kind of like a darkness to it. And again, it's in London or outside London, but it is so good. So it has that kind of vibe to where it's just kind of chill and you can even fall asleep on it, but it's so good at the same time. But I've seen it, I promise you, at least 15 times. It's a go-to for me when I'm going to bed. But my husband, it's like he's seen it for the first time, even though we watched it together years ago. So check it out. So anyway, with all that said, I'm gonna get dinner ready early and I'm gonna try. It is so cold outside and it's been accidents around here because of the freezing rain and the snow yesterday. People cannot drive here, okay, in the snow. We just don't see it enough. I want to go to the gym tonight. It's a class tonight, but it's so cold. And I don't know. I just don't know. I need to go. I need to talk myself into it. See, I'm trying to talk myself out of it. But yes, guys, I just wanted to come on and say hello. Nothing more on the agenda. It's a Tuesday, your average Tuesday. A little busy this morning with work, but I am chilling now. What time is it? About not even 3. So I'm going to finish dinner. And then I am going to either go to the gym or enjoy the rest of my evening. But I will talk to you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.